Are you always too hot or too cold while energy bills keep rising year after year? Does your house look stuck in the 70s, but not in a good way? Older windows and doors are more than a cosmetic concern. They affect comfort, efficiency, and long-term property value. Windows alone can account for 25% to 30% of a home's heating and cooling loss, increasing monthly utility costs. Replacement windows with double glazing and low E glass reduce heat transfer and lower energy use by more than 25% in many homes. New windows also improve curb appeal and resale value. Many homeowners see $8,000 to $12,000 in added value, while recovering 60% to 80% of replacement costs through savings and equity. Older windows often create drafts, cold spots, uneven temperatures, and outside noise. Vinyl and aluminum systems are quieter, more efficient, and lower maintenance than aging wood frames. Federal, local incentives may offset up to 10% of installation costs for energy-efficient upgrades. If your windows are 15 years or older and you feel uncomfortable in your own home, your house is likely costing you more every month than you realize. Replacing them today improves comfort, efficiency, and long-term savings. For a complimentary estimate, contact EuroAlign at 706-426-1082 or visit euroalign.com.